All right, so now we're going to cover how do I update the additional terms and requirements for loan processing and underwriting. All right, so if we go into a loan file, let's go to pipeline main, and let's go to all here. We're going to go into Flipper Frank loan file here. All right, and if I go into the loan info tab for this loan file, I scroll all the way to the bottom. We have this field right here, additional terms and requirements for loan processing and underwriting. So this information shows up on the term sheet. So if we sample view the term sheet, clicking this button at the bottom of the screen, we can preview our term sheet. All right, so this is the term sheet, right? And at the bottom of the term sheet, we have this space right here, additional terms and requirements for loan processing and underwriting. So this is the text that we have in that box right there. This is right here. And so we can update this in the custom loan guidelines. And it can be loan program specific. So right now we're in a fix and flip loan. So if we go over to settings, platform settings, and custom loan guidelines, and we go into we already have our fix and flip custom loan guidelines here. So we can go in there and we can click on the edit button. It'll open it up here. And if we scroll all the way to the bottom, this is where we see that field right here. So this is where I have that information entered. I have it saying additional terms and requirements for loan processing and underwriting goes here, right? This is the actual field. It's called additional terms and requirements for loan processing and underwriting. So if I want to change this and I want it to show up on all the fix and flip loan programs that I have here, I can just change the text here, and that's going to be what's reflected inside of the fix and flip loan programs. Not only the term sheet, but also in that loan info tab at the very bottom there. Okay, so that's all updated through the custom loan guidelines, and it's loan program specific. So you can come in here and change that. When you're finished, you just hit save, and then that'll update your custom loan guidelines. When you go back into the loan file and you go to the loan info tab, as long as it's that type of loan program, you can scroll down to the bottom and you should see that text updated here. And when you sample preview the term sheet, you'll see it updated there as well. All right.